Yes. Welcome to Gissi Lighthouse. Ay, kapagod akyatin, baby. Yes. Ayun. Top of Guimaras na to. No? Yeah. Ganda. Thank you. Baby, gusto mong picturean ka ta dyan? Picturean kita. Ayun na yung resort.
Layo na natin.
Kaya nga.
Sabi siya kasi nung sa pang-travel, ma'am, sa mga boys daw, ma'am, let's mag-keychain, ma'am, makamagustuhan tayo, ma'am, sa 100 na.
Wala akong dalang pera. Ito yung ano, siguro mga bismillah.
Lumang ano?
Oo. Kasi ano to eh.
Ganda ng pagkasira niya.
Parang
ruins talaga.
Ayan na yung lighthouse oh. Bismillah ka, baby.
Ha?
Bismillah. Historical landmark, Gissi Lighthouse ruins. In 1857, the general plan for lighting of marine coast in the Philippine archipelago was drafted and implemented by a corps of engineers for roads, canals, and ports. The Gissi Lighthouse is the second oldest lighthouse in the Philippines, lighted up for the first time in 1894. The structure is made of fabricated metals from France, the tisa from Portugal, and the cement from England. This 18th century Spanish ruin is very visible during nighttime to guide mariners passing through Guimaras Strait. Wow.
Hanggang pa pala ito.
Yung mga cement nila, ayan yung Gissi Lighthouse. Imaginein mo.
Ano ba imagine ko?
Ang tagal na nito. Diba?
Parang Intramuros.
Ito pala yung pinaka ano, baby. Hindi pala yan. Yan.
Ay, yung ano.
Bismillah. So, ito yung lighthouse na makikita yung ano. Wow. Ano ka lang?
Hindi na pwede umakyat kasi delikado.
Picture tayo, baby.